Hi guys, today I will be opening 5 Euro 2016 Panini sticker packs, and if you want to check out the previous video, there will be a link in the description box below. Now without further ado, let's start off with our first pack. So our first player is Antoine Griezmann, who plays for the French international team. Second player is Lustig. Third player is Kolasinac, plays for Bosnia. Fourth player is Glenn Wellan, plays for Ireland. And our last player is James Milner, alright, plays for England and his new club Liverpool. To our second pack. Let's see, can we have a decent player? Alright, so our first player is Martin Odegaard. Second player is Kramaric, plays for Croatia. Third player is Pukki, plays for Finland. Our fourth player is Ledgett, plays for Austria. And our last player is Manolas. To our third pack. Alright, we got Andre Pirlo, a world-class midfielder and plays for New York City currently. Our second player is Petr Cech, plays for Bosnia. Third player is Hugo Lloris, alright, nice, another French. Fourth player is Durm. And our last player is Panagiotis Tatsidis, yeah, plays for Greece. And to our fourth pack. Alright, I see a German. I think that's Ozil. And yes, it is Ozil, alright. He plays for Arsenal and he's known for his eyes, big eyes, I guess. And our second player is Thomas Sevak. Third player is another German, Durm. Alright, new youngster. Fourth player is Courtois. And our last player is Sacco. Alright, this pack we got really decent players from Europe. And to our last pack, hopefully we can have a good ending. And our first player is Nesid. Second player is Struna. Third player is Rosicky, plays for Czech Republic and also Arsenal. Fourth player is Urkin. And our last player is Olivier Giroud, plays for France. So these are the cards. Hope you enjoyed. Please like if you did, and also subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.